Text control. Text control gives us option to decide how the words should fit in rows and columns when we enter the text in spreadsheet. Click on Home tab. Go to Alignment Group. Click on Dialog Box Launcher. You will see the text control option in dialog box. There are 3 types of control buttons in this option. 2 of these buttons are also displayed on the ribbon. Let us see how these buttons operate. The first option is Wrap Text. This option increases the height of the row and fits the letters which cannot be contained in the cell otherwise. Let us see how it is done. First, type the name Sachin Tendulkar in a cell. You won't be able to see the full name in the cell as it contains many letters. Now click on Home tab. Go to Alignment Group. Click on Wrap Text command. Now you can see the name Sachin Tendulkar fitted in the same cell by increasing the height of the row slightly. This command is also available on the ribbon. Shrink means condensing or reducing the size. Shrink to Fit command is used to reduce the size of the text so that it can fit in the same cell. The height or width of the row or column is not altered by this command, but it reduces the font size of the letters in the text in order to fit them in the same cell. Sometimes the letters become so small that it is not possible to read them. Now, we will type Sachin Tendulkar in one cell. This does not fit in a cell. Click on Alignment Group, Dialog Box Launcher, and then click on Shrink to Fit command. Look, you can see that this name is fitted in the same cell width. Merge Cell command is used to combine 2 or more than 2 cells for writing some heading or words in the spreadsheet. Select as many cells as you require to give heading to the table. Go to Alignment Group, Dialog Box Launcher. Select the command Merge Cell, or alternatively you can select the command Merge and Center from Alignment Group. The selected cells will get merged to form a single cell. The title will appear in the center of the cell. Orientation. Here, orientation means changing the position of the letters. You will find this option in Alignment Group's dialog box. This command can be seen in ribbon also in Alignment Group. This command is used to tilt the letters so that the words will appear in a slanting position or in a straight line or in a right angle. Have you seen a table calendar? In this calendar, you will see that the name of the days or the name of the months are in a tilt position or in a right angle. Now we will use this command to change the position of the title of the table. First, you have to select the title. Then go to Alignment Group. Then click on Dialog Box Launcher. You will see the command Orientation in this box. You can click on Up or Down arrow shown on the degree button. Or alternatively, you can use the arrow shown on clockwise symbol and change the direction of the words. Let's try tilting the letters in 45 degrees and see how they look. Wow, that's fantastic!